Hello everyone, this is Khaldoon from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Lelit Bianca V3 espresso machine. It comes to us with kind of leak from the bottom, but when I open it and test it, I found a lot of stuff broken. I found this connection between some of the hoses inside broken. The safety valve was also broken and leaking all the time. Same the vacuum release valve as well. Then I just replaced those and I tried to test the machine again. Then I found it not refilling, so I took this water level sensor probe out, clean it and put it back, but it wasn't even when I take off the cable from here. So the machine supposed to start refilling, same as like no water in here, and that wasn't like working. Then when I test that board, I found it like burned. So I just replaced it, and after I replaced it, I start testing. Then it's okay. When I start like releasing the cable from here, the machine starts refilling. Then I noticed this water probe also broken, so I just replaced it with the newer version. The machine starts refilling. Then I did a tune-up for the machine. I flushed both boilers after I tied up the heating element in the boiler that was leaking all the time, and I descaled the machine twice. I did deep cleaning for the group head, and I replaced, this is the old shower screen and the basket. I replaced it with a nice a silicone gasket and a new shower screen. Then I did deep cleaning for the steam one and for the hot water spout. Put the machine back together, and let's go ahead and test it. Make espresso shot on it. Then of course I recalibrate the flow control. This is perfect shot. Look at that. It's like thick crema, 3 layers of coffee. So let's test the steamer. That works perfect. And the hot water. That works great too. And the machine refills right away. Thank you for watching. Yep, it's refilling. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.